Welcome back, guys. This is question 5.74 and the statement of it is known that 3% of people whose luggage is screened at an airport have questionable objects in their luggage. What is the probability that a string of 15 people pass through screening successfully before an individual is caught with a questionable object? And what is the expected number of people to pass through before an individual is stopped? Okay, so there are basically two parts of this question, and before solving it, let me write the given data. And in the given data, we know that what is the chance of a person which has this luggage screened and have a questionable object is 3%. So the probability of questionable object caught in a luggage is 0.03, and the probability that he will be passed through the airport is q, and let me write it will be 1 minus p, so it would be 0.97. okay, means he or she doesn't have a questionable object in his luggage. okay, so this is what we have. If 15 people have passed through and the 16th one has the questionable object, so what is this? This is basically the geometric probability distribution, because 15 people have passed through and 16th one is the one which has been caught. So this basically indicates the 16th success, okay, or the success at the 16th slot. okay, so solving it, okay, so solution of it is what I want to find the probability that x is caught which is greater than 15, or the 16th one. It would be what? It would be 1 minus p 15, and the 16th one will be what? It will be the person who has a questionable object in his luggage. okay, so let me write their values. So it would be 0.97 raised to the power 15, multiplying it with what? Multiplying it with the 0.03. okay, so calculating it and then finding the answer, it would be 0.0191, and that is what? That is basically the solution of first part, which ends here. okay, so this is the solution of this question. Now in order to solve the second part of my question, in which what is the expected number of people to pass through before an individual is stopped, so this is basically related to the expected value of the geometric distribution. And here, in order to write the expected value of the geometric distribution, I have a formula that is 1 minus p divided by p. okay, so let me write their values. So 1 minus p is 0.03 divided by 0.03. okay, so it would be 0.97 divided by 0.03. so calculating it, it will be 32.33, which is almost equal to 32. okay, so the answer of it is what? The answer of it is 32, and it shows that the expected number of people who passes through before an individual is stopped is 32. okay, so 32 people will pass. This is the expected value of the people who will pass through once a person with the questionable object is stopped. okay, so that's it for today, in which we have seen the solution of question 5.74 and seen that how to see that whether certain question is related to the geometric probability distribution or not. okay, so that's it for today. See you soon.